Now, I'm going to provide a brand new way for you to make a ton of money online in a moment. All you have to do is use Google Translate, and you can earn thousands of dollars. You must adhere to my clear directions in this video if you want to do that. The finest feature of this method is that you may use it anywhere in the world without paying any money, and without any special knowledge or training. There are several options whether you are from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan. You can earn this much money by using the strategy of today. You can make between $100 and $150 by utilizing Google Translate to translate 2 files. You can make up to $450 if you translate 4 files. The profit potential is tremendous, and you can make up to $700 just translating 8 files. Additionally, you are able to keep doing this. In order to be the first to learn about and stay up with new ways to make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and activate the notification bell before we continue to the video. Visit this website, ladium.org, first. I'll leave the URL for this website on the screen for the time being. I'd like to show you how to sign up, and I'll explain how it functions in this video along with all the procedures and training, so that you can follow my example before doing it yourself. So let me now demonstrate to you the great income possibilities of this website. As you can see from the prize, the amount ranges from $1,500 to $3,000. There is a lot of earning potential. So let me quickly explain how it works before showing you how to sign up and get a free sign-up bonus or free money. Therefore, be sure not to miss out. The main benefit of joining this website is the ability to browse through several projects that are comparable to the ones I just showed you. You can work on a range of projects, offers, and jobs to earn US dollars, Bitcoin, PayPal money, and a number of other payment methods that suit your preferences on your account. So you may search for a new project on the Latium website, submit it, and then get to work straight away. The second stage is to complete the project and submit it using the Latium contract management system. The third step is what we all love. After your work has been evaluated and approved, your payment will be transferred instantly and without interruption to your Latium wallet. Therefore, select I wish to work when you visit latium.org. Then, click this button here, and you'll be taken to a page where you may input your first and last names, email address, login information, and password. Simply press the Proceed button after selecting the I'm not a robot checkbox. You should be able to receive a free $1 sign-up bonus after doing that and signing up. But you first need to validate your email address. Click the activation link after checking your mailbox. They may therefore set up your Latium account, and you ought to be able to see your free $1. You should be able to see all of the many projects that you may join and choose from after signing up, logging into your account, and clicking on Browse Projects. There are too many projects and tasks to complete, which is the issue, and I am aware that many of you, including myself, lack experience. For instance, I have no knowledge on how to perform usability testing or design websites with graphics. The advantage of this is that you don't need any special knowledge or training to do it. When you arrive here, all you need to do is proceed and concentrate on the translation and language. As you can see above, there are more translation and language projects that you may work on. I'll give you some examples of jobs that you can obtain so that you can make money online. For instance, you might receive Hindi articles and want to translate your job from Hindi to English. You can then earn $75. Similarly, there are certain projects that require you to translate from Japanese. You must translate from Japanese to English, and you can then earn $75. After you do your work, they'll pay you in a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or one of the other currencies listed above. You can also choose to be paid in dollars via bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, or online money after completing your chores. As you can see, this is a Hindi article, and one of the articles you can receive. You can basically translate these Hindi articles into English and earn money online. So if you know anything about Hindi, or if you are from India, please drop a comment below and let me know. The point is, I'm only going to demonstrate in this video how you can utilize Google Translate to perform all the work for you and automate the procedure, so you may earn money repeatedly. I am aware that many of you are from different parts of the world and may not be able to translate other languages. But as you can see here, you're going to do what I say. First, as you can see here, I want you to go to Google Translate. This is pretty small. To make it bigger, all I have to do is go here. You may choose a language, copy it, and paste it here on the left, and the language will be quickly translated into English. This link will take you to a larger page that is much easier to edit if you click it. First things first, over here on the left. When you start your new job, you'll be able to see where you can copy everything, and I'll copy this sentence right now. And then I'll return here to Google Translate and just paste everything in. As you can see, Hindi is now recognized by Google Convert, which means that it will identify Hindi as the source language and translate it into English, as you can see above. To accomplish that, I need to copy everything, so I'll click copy on this one, or just this copy button right here, and then I'll create a new document. To create a new document, right-click on the File menu and choose New. I'll use this new document to insert my English translation. I'm going to repeat the process right now. I'll come over here and point out the following section. After that, I'll just copy this one once more, come back, copy it, delete everything, and then paste the fresh stuff directly here. I'll then wait for the English translation before continuing, so you can use this method repeatedly. You can also just submit the full document, as indicated below. As I just did, you can translate the text by clicking this page, navigating to your computer, and uploading the complete Google document directly here. Google Translator will then quickly translate the entire document. Following that, we can submit it for a variety of jobs and opportunities and get paid. For instance, they'll pay you a little less for Hindi, but if you're lucky enough, you might get some jobs teaching Spanish, German, or even Japanese, and they'll pay you up to $100 for each one. After that, all you have to do is repeat the procedure. For instance, I'll simply highlight this Japanese text and copy it before pasting it right here, and returning to Google Convert, where you can then translate your information into English. It's a really simple process that, in my opinion, anyone can replicate. You may complete it on your computer or phone. Therefore, don't worry, just use Google if you want this program or application to do all the work for you, and that's all. Before you leave, check out my other videos, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up.